Are you struggling with Steam error codes 1, 1.8, or 1.3.8 on Windows 10 or 11? Don't worry, you're not alone, and the fix is easier than you might think. In this video, I'll show you a step-by-step guide to get Steam working again in just a few minutes. First, let's check your firewall settings. Head over to your desktop search bar and type Windows Defender Firewall, then press enter. This tool often blocks Steam from connecting to the internet, which can trigger these error codes. Once the firewall window opens, look for Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall and click it. Here, you'll see a list of apps currently allowed or restricted. Scroll down to find Steam. If it's listed, make sure both private and public network boxes are checked. This ensures Steam can connect no matter what network you're on. If Steam isn't listed, don't panic. Click Change Settings, then allow another app and browse to your Steam folder. Usually it's located in Program Files or Program Files x86 under a folder named Steam. Select Steam and click Add. This will allow Steam through the firewall. After completing these steps, relaunch Steam. Your error codes should now be gone, and your games will load smoothly. Allowing Steam through the firewall resolves connection issues and ensures your application can communicate properly with the internet. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've fixed Steam error codes 1.1.8 and 1.3.8. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe for more quick troubleshooting tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming.